He's gonna grab that one by the tail, watch.
Did it get you in the mouth?
I think it's time to let him out.
You want to come out, guys?
No,
You guys don't want to come out?
no. I don't want to come out.
Hey, Matt, if you find any eggs in there, you don't touch them. You leave them alone, okay? You can poke one with a stick?
That gets him angry.
Or not.
Just chase him.
So he swings at him. That one's gonna get mad. That one has a quick temper.